What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mac from Alkaline Herbs and Recipe, and today I'm about to make this therapeutic chlorophyll green soup. Basically, I'm gonna take a little bit of this watercress, this kale, some Armanatha green, onions, bay leaf, thyme, dill, basil, green habanero, blend it up, make a nice, wonderful therapeutic green soup. Basically, first you gotta wash your vegetables, drain them things real good. After I chop them up with love, you gotta chop your food up with love so it comes out good. Basically, I'm gonna take these greens, I'm gonna add it to this pot right here. I'm gonna let these greens sit in this pot for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out the pot, take these greens out the pot, and then I'm gonna blend these greens up. All the greens are in the pot, as you see. Yeah, man. Give thanks for thanks is cooking right here. I've added a bunch of watercress, kale, and a bunch of other greens that I had in that pot into my juicer. I'm going to juice these and I'll be showing you what I'm doing. Alright, I just finished juicing my extra greens. Now I'm going to walk over here. See these greens in here? I'm going to put them in the pot. This extra water right here, it's nothing but chlorophyll, just like this juice right here. Alright, I'm going to take this juice chlorophyll and add it to the boiled chlorophyll.